we moved to the village from Colombo. This environment feels much freer than the Colombo environment, both in mind and body. You must feel the same way watching this video, right? While doing our jobs, we started farming out of passion. After thinking about it, we decided to grow brinjal as an extra income and a hobby. We will share all those details with you in a vlog tomorrow. Until then, come and see. As our first cultivation experience, we had a lot to think about here. We brought the little brinjal plants in boxes like this. Then we made beds and do many more things and planted plants. So we will definitely meet tomorrow. See you soon. Stay tuned. Bye!